Ever seen somebody do $5 a mile? Well, guess what? I'm going to attempt it today. I have a truck in Columbus, Ohio. There's been a lot of requests out there for me to show you guys how I book LTL. So I'm going to take the truck in Columbus, Ohio and book. Obviously, it's going to take me a lot longer than what you see here in the video to get a hold of people, for people to contact me. But I'm going to try to capture everything with all the LTL, and I'm going to show it to you guys live here on the channel. So enjoy it, okay? Let's open up my load board. Now I am looking for, I'm posting my truck, which is today here, LTL. We are in Columbus, Ohio, going to Concord, Ontario. And I'm going to choose probably a 100-mile radius, and I'm going to, actually, you know what? I'll choose a 150-mile radius around Columbus, and I'm gonna press next, and I am looking only for for LTL, so 3/4 or less. Air ride, we have a drive-in. Now let's start. We're gonna post this truck. We'll see what's there. We're gonna use my routing guide over here. All right, Columbus, Ohio. So this is what we have. We have LTL here, Toledo, this, that. We have here, let's see, quarter load, half load, quarter load. So for those that have emails, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna send them quickly an email. So here I have one. This is 142 miles. I'm gonna sort this by deadhead from origin. And what this does, it shows me the closest posting to my truck. So Transport TFI is posting Fargo Transportation. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click to email them. All right, so here's my routing guide. I'm just gonna look at it. It's 54 miles to go empty, deadhead from my truck to the left, and we will start. Let's send this guy an email. We'll do one email. Let's send this guy an email also. So we just sent 3-4 emails right now. At the same time, while those are coming in, we'll also play some phone calls. Let's call this guy right here. Hello, hi, how are you?
Not bad. How you doing?
Good, good. I see you got some LTL in Ohio. Dayton, Ohio, or Daytona?
Dayton, Ohio, and it's going to Brampton, Ontario. Is this something you could help me out with?
It is going to yeah, let me just route it. How many skids is it?
It's 4 skids, 5,370 pounds. The skids dimensions, they're pretty much similar, 68 by 40 by 22, and other 2 skids are 38 by 34 by 40.
68 is 2 skid spots. So you have 2 of those, right?
Yes.
So you need a 6 skid spot.
Yes, sir. Would you be able to deliver this by Monday, perhaps?
Yeah, I can deliver well before. Today is Monday, so I can deliver it on or before Wednesday.
Yeah, that works for me.
I'm going to do all my pickups today, but what kind of money you got in it?
What's your best price? What can you do for me?
It's 100 miles west from me, so I'm gonna need probably. How does 985 sound?
985. It's doable, but can you do 850?
Honestly, because if it was right in my truck is in Columbus, so I got a 2-hour drive to pick it up. 985 is probably the best I can do.
Okay, let's make it work. Lock it in. How early can you grab it?
I'll pick it up for sure today before end of day. I just got to see what other LTLs I'm going to catch, and then I'll sort out my schedule. But today for sure before end of day.
Okay, sounds like a plan. I'll send you the tender shortly.
Thank you.
Awesome. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. From the sound of his voice, I should have quoted a little bit higher, and that's why it was not negotiable, because he wanted to pick it up today. All right, let's call our next one here. Hi, Ronen here from ET. How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good, good. I see you're posting some LTL out of Ohio.
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you tell me a little bit more about the shipment?
Sure. What would you like to know?
Where's the exact pickup location?
It's in Ottawa, Ohio.
Ottawa. Okay. Is it ready for today?
It is ready for today. Let me see the date.
Well, I have a truck to pick up today. Can I grab it today?
Deliver. Yes, you can grab it today.
Perfect. Okay, great. How many skids is it?
It's 11 skids.
11 skids. Where's the delivery? In the GTA?
It's going to Brampton, Ontario.
Brampton. So what's the weight?
The weight is, it's a little bit shy of 4,000 pounds.
4,000 pounds? Okay, good. What do you got for a rate for me? How much? 11 skids. Can you do 1,200?
1,200, that's a little bit too much.
What's a little?
1,200, is that a full load rate?
Oh, yeah.
It's only 11 skids.
All right, what's the best you can do? Come on.
Well, I can't pay for your full truck. I can probably
it, but listen, ET Transport, MC number 521228. We've been in business for 18 years. I think that's worth something, no?
Yes, I'll definitely pay you more than others, as long as you pick up and deliver on time. Usually 11 skids we cover for $750.
No, 750. Come on, I just booked 4 skids for 985. Help me out.
So 4 skids for 11 skids. There you go. You have 1250 that you need.
Well, no, I would have a lot more than 1250 with the both of them. But come on, give me 1100.
Best I can do is 900.
All right. Can you make it 975?
You're really pushing it. 950, and that's it. My final offer.
950. We have in Ottawa, Ohio. Okay, great. 11 skids. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Can you send it to dispatch@ettransport.ca? I will pick up today at 3 o'clock.
Delivery when?
Next day. No, sorry, Wednesday.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
What's your name?
Ronen.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. All right, so far I have 4 skids coming out of Dayton, Ohio. Then I got another 11 skids coming out of Ottawa, Ohio. So we got pickup number 1, pickup number 2. Ideally, I'd like to find another one closer to where my truck is, but there doesn't seem to be any loads in Columbus right now. The second, let's make a few more phone calls, and hopefully I'll catch 1 or 2 more LTLs, and we can call it a day.
Hello.
Hi, Ronen ET. How are you?
Hi, not bad. How are you?
Good, good. Calling about your LTL from Ohio that you're posting.
Yes, we have a partial available for today. So it will be 6 boxes, 45 by 45 by 45, and it's 10,000 pounds.
10,000 pounds or 11?
Almost 11,000 pounds.
Amazing. Okay, great. Where's the pickup exactly?
So it's in Streetsboro, Ohio, and we need to schedule an appointment from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. today. And they're closing like closer to 1:30, so it's better to book an appointment by 1. Can you do it?
For pickup tomorrow morning. I won't be able to pick up today.
Okay, let's do it for tomorrow morning, like 8 a.m. It works?
Oh, it depends on your rate. It's going to work.
Okay, how much do you need?
For 8 a.m., the pickup appointment probably around, I would say for 11,000 pounds, 1,100.
11. Can you do it for 1,000?
Where's the delivery?
It's in Concord.
Oh, good. Perfect. Help me a little bit. Give me 1,100. I got an 8 a.m. pickup. I have to lay over the driver there. I got a pickup in Dayton, another pickup in Ottawa, and then I'm coming to Streetsboro for the next day in the morning.
Okay, let's meet in the middle and do 1,050. How sounds that?
1,050.
It's good?
1,050. I got to pay my driver a layover. Make it 1,075.
Okay, it works. Yeah, let's lock it up.
Why do I feel like you have a lot of money in this load?
Not so much. So it's a good rate for you and me, right?
I don't know.
We met in the middle.
I feel like you have at least $1,600 in this load.
No, sorry, I'm doing only $50 on that, so I can't go higher.
Yes, yeah, funny. $50, you're right. Okay, 1,075. If you can send me an email or send it to dispatch@ettransport.ca.
Okay, sounds good. You'll see it in 2 minutes, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. So we have 6 skids, 11 skids, and 4 skids. We still have room inside this trailer, but so far we have. Let's run the miles. We have 645 miles, and we have 985. We got 985 plus 950 plus 1,050. So we have $2,985. Divide that by 645. We are still shy. We need a little bit more. $4.62 per mile. So we need one more. Let's make one more phone call. Mentor, Ohio, very, very close. Okay, let's call this guy right here. Wilco Transport.
Hello, speaking.
Hey, Ronen here. ET, how are you?
I'm good. How's it going?
Good, good. I was calling about your LTL from Ohio that you have posted.
Yeah, it's Cleveland, Ohio, going to Mississauga. It's 4 skids.
4 skids.
Yeah.
Can I pick it up tomorrow?
Yeah, it's ready to go today. Tomorrow is fine as well.
God, I have an 8 a.m. pickup in Streetsboro, Cleveland. I could do at 10 a.m. I could deliver the next day, or maybe even same day probably. What's your rate on this?
I'm looking to be around 400 to 500 Canadian. Both pickup and deliveries are first come first serve, so you can do the deliveries whenever you can.
You think you can reach me at about 650?
It's a little bit too high. I was planning to pay at most 500.
Help me out. Give me 550. 550. Reputable carrier. I'll give you a tracker. You'll be able to track this.
ET Transport. Yeah, I can do 550. That's
MC 521228.
That's fine. Yeah, 550 works. Pick up today or tomorrow, you said?
Tomorrow, 10 a.m. I'll be there for pickup. But yeah.
Okay.
Just to confirm, what's the weight?
Total weight for this is roughly around 1,500 pounds.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
And these are standard skids, right?
Standard size skids, yeah. Dock to dock.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, send it over.
Okay, I'll send it to you right now.
Perfect. Thank you. All right. Moral of the story. So we got our truck is in Columbus, Ohio. We're going to Dayton, Ohio. From Dayton, Ohio, we're going to Ottawa, Ohio. From Ottawa, Ohio, we are going to Streetsboro, Ohio for our 8 a.m. pickup appointment. And then we have a 10 a.m. in Cleveland, Ohio. So you can see the map, okay? Everything does make sense. I wish it would have been Columbus straight to Ottawa, but I have to drive to Dayton. But let's see how much money we got for all this. So 663 miles. Let's look at the money that we have inside this trailer. Our first 4 skids paid us $985. Our second one paid us $950. Our third one that gave us $1,050. I actually think I could have pulled out a lot more from her. Next time I'm going to try to go a little higher, but again, full loads probably coming out of there are at most paying $1,200. So I think we did a pretty good job. When you hear a pickup appointment, okay, that's dollar signs, ka-ching, ka-ching. Not everybody can do pickup appointments, especially with LTL. It just happened to be that I was okay to lay over the driver. I don't think the driver is going to get there until tomorrow first thing in the morning. So if anything, he might get there for 7 or 8 p.m. tonight. But again, and then we got the last $550 from Cleveland, Ohio. Both pickup and delivery are first come, first serve, like he said. So we got $3,535. Divide that by 663 miles. We did get $5.33 per mile on all of our miles. So hope you learned something from this video. If you want to learn how to dispatch like me, we do have a dispatch course out there available for all of you. Click the join button below to get access to the dispatch course. Hopefully you learned something from this video. I'm Ronen, R-O-N-E-N, and I'll catch you in my next one.